everyone, welcome back to another YouTube video, and in this video I'll be showing you guys how to fix OnePay not receiving OTP code. First of all, check your signal and try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data, and also rule out network issues, and also make sure that you're connected to a stable Wi-Fi so the app operates smoothly. After that, disable any VPN that you are using and then restart your phone. Then request code again. After requesting the code again, if you have entered your number, check your SMS or your WhatsApp. It also sometimes sends the code there. Safety tip: do not enter the wrong number. If your pin gets to anyone else, then that might not be very good and your privacy is in danger. Quick fix: try alternate number if you have any another number that you can use. And that's it. Subscribe for more fixes.